Hey guys, how's it going? It's Double Wide 6 here, and today I'm working on a John Deere. It's a TRS 32, so pretty big snowblower. And the problem that we're having here is that when you drive the snowblower, the chute actually vibrates and it moves usually from left to right, so you can't keep it in the position that you want. Here's a look at the unit. It's in pretty good cosmetic condition. I'm going through and just kind of fixing some of the things that are wrong with it. I already worked on the spring on the deflector, and what's happening here is you use this handle. So you turn this handle and that'll turn the chute, but the problem is with the vibration, this thing's so loose that it just kind of vibrates on its own, and you can see all the play in here. So we're going to pop this thing up and I'll show you how to fix it. A real easy fix is to do what the previous owner did, and he just kind of wired up a bungee cord to hold it in place. But I would rather fix it than temporarily fix it. I should say fix it correctly. We'll take a look here at this chute rotator, and it's a pretty complex system made up of knuckle joints, elbows, gearing. Up here's another joint, and then it goes through these brackets, and this final rod right here, it's about a 10-inch piece of 3/8 inch rod. It comes up, it goes right through here. I don't know if you could see it, but there's an elbow where it bends, and then it goes up this way. So the problem with it bending like that, and with these mounting tabs on the shaft itself, you cannot slide it out of the bracket. Let me show you a look from the other side. So here's the rod as it passes up through, and then like I said, there's two elbows on it on the other side, but there's no way to slide it out of here, because what would be really easy would be to just slip an extra washer or two on here to kind of tighten it up and add some friction. So I'm going to show you guys a quick easy fix that'll take care of this for sure. So to fix this thing, I'm just going to use one of my hairpins, and I got this set from Amazon, and it's very helpful in situations like this. So I could use one of these thin ones, and I was looking at it. I'm going to try and use one of the thicker hairpins like this to make it kind of a tight fit. Here's what the original pin looked like, and I put it in the vise and just opened it up a little bit because it's going to go on this 3/8 inch shaft, and I'm not going to be able to get it on if it's that tight. Okay, I'm hoping you guys will be able to see, but what I want to do is back this rod up as much as I can, and there's already one washer in here, and you can see the play in there. So what I want to try and do is get this hairpin in behind the washer like that. Oops. Slip that in there, and I'm going to try and tap it with a hammer and see if I can't get that to slip on there. Not much room to work. Just going to rotate it and make sure that that is seated. I don't think it's in all the way. I gotta look at the other side here. Oh, yeah, I guess that is in there. And I want to make sure that this thing will rotate freely. Yeah, I'm trying to move the shaft, and it is not moving at all, and that was the problem. There's definitely a little more pressure, but it's not too bad. So that's an easy way to fix this thing without having to take everything apart, and I think it's going to work out pretty well. Well, alright guys, there you have it. It was a pretty simple job. Wasn't too hard. I think anybody could do it. And the nice thing was you don't have to take everything apart to actually do that fix. I don't do too much self-promotion, but I wanted to point out that I'm really happy that I'm able to reach 50,000 subscribers on my channel, and that's monumental for me. I never thought that my channel would be broad enough to encompass that many subscribers and a base of people that always comment and leave good feedback and constructive feedback on my videos. I've been doing this since I think 2012 was about when I started getting onto YouTube, and you know, it's been 6 years, and I just can't believe how far we've come. And you know, I really want to thank everyone for all the support. You guys have supported me, you've supported my family, and particularly my son. And he is doing great, and everyone that has helped support him, I really appreciate. You guys are some great subscribers, and I'm going to try and keep the videos coming for you. And as always, you know, leave comments and feedback, and if you're not a subscriber, please think about subscribing. And one other thing, I have several Patreons that are really helpful to my channel, and I just want to thank you guys also for really supporting me. So take care, and we'll see you for the next video.